Hey, you! Did you know your brain has a secret back door?
What's happening? I feel strange.
Stop! Get out of my head!
People use these tricks every day. On you. But today, we're stealing the playbook. By the end of this, you'll see the invisible strings, and you'll learn how to cut them. Okay, first, a quick history lesson. Your brain is old, like caveman old.
Hey, you in the frame! React to this! Back then, fitting in wasn't about being popular. It was about not being eaten.
So, your brain built shortcuts. Quick, simple rules to keep you safe in the tribe. These tricks, they exploit those shortcuts. They're like cheat codes for the caveman part of your brain.
Trick number 1, the reciprocity boomerang.
Someone gives you a tiny, unexpected gift. A mint. A small favor.
Your caveman brain screams, they gave us something! We must give something back!
Ouch. And just like that, you feel you owe them. Even if you never asked for the gift. Trick 2, social proof, or as I call it, the invisible herd. When we don't know what to do, we look at others. If everyone is doing it, it must be right, right? Marketers use this. Bestseller, 10,000 customers. It's a shortcut. It tells your brain the decision is already made. Trick 3, the door in the face.
Here's ask us for something huge, something crazy. The person says no.
Then, you ask for the first actually ask? This one feels easy. Your brain says, well, I said no before, I should say yes now to be nice. Trick 4, the anchoring effect.
The first number you hear becomes the anchor, the thing everything else is compared to.
If I said this apple was $1,000, you'd laugh. But if I then said, for you, just $5, suddenly $5 feels like a steal. The anchor did its job.
De krämmen lägens that happen and use nedot as nummernivers. Trick 5, scarcity, the velvet rope.
When something is hard to get, our brains want it more.
The moment it becomes exclusive or limited, it triggers a fear of missing out. We want what we think we can't have. Welcome, right this way.
Thank you! I'm so excited to be here!
Enjoy the event.
I will! This is going to be great!
Trick 6, the authority bias. A uniform, a title, a confident voice. That's all it takes. We're trained to follow authority figures without questioning.
Trick 7. The paradox of choice. Two options, easy decision. Happy.
Ten options, brain freezes. Suddenly, no decision feels good. You end up buying nothing or regretting what you picked.
Trick 8. Emotional contagion.
It's great, I'm excited.
If someone is genuinely excited, its mirror neurons fire. You start to feel that excitement too. It's how enthusiasm sells.
Trick 9. The power of pauses. After someone makes a request, say nothing. Just look at them. Silence makes people uncomfortable. They will fill the void, often by giving you what you want, or offering more than you asked for.
Now you know 9 of the strings. But trick 10? It's the master key.
Trick 10. The illusion of choice.
Oh.
You don't ask.
Do you want to clean your room? You ask, do you want to clean your room now or in 5 minutes?
Either way, the room gets cleaned. They feel in control. But you got the result you wanted. It's the ultimate shortcut.
So, feeling powerful or a little manipulated?
Here's the truth. These tricks are tools. A hammer can build a house.
Or break a window.
The people who use these aren't wizards. They just know the shortcuts.
And now, so do you. The trick isn't to never be influenced. That's impossible.
The trick is to hit pause. Ask yourself one simple question. Is this good for me, or is it just good for them?
You are not a puppet. Your strings are your own.